Alright, since we've been through water, there are a few things you want to check on your ATV. In this video we're going to check them out and see if they're all good and do a few maintenance things on the way. First thing we're going to do is get these ATVs cleaned up. Alright, we've got the ATV all washed off now. First thing we're going to check when we go through water is our engine oil. And the next thing we want to check is the differential fluid on the front and rear. If you get water in those, you want to change those out and get that water out of there. Once you've gone through water, a good habit is to check the oil just to see if you've gotten any water in it. You can see that by any bubbles or anything. But this looks pretty much just like oil. We don't have any leaks in there, so that looks good. Another thing we're checking on this is the differential fluid, just to see if there's any water that's getting in there. The vent for the differential runs all the way up under the pod, under the digital gauge up in the front. Chance of water getting there is very slim unless you sink the whole thing underwater. This looks pretty good. Lastly, we're going to check our wheel bearings. We've been through water a few different times this spring, so we're going to check those wheel bearings and get those greased and get those bearings to last a little bit longer. It's been a while since we've done that, and going through lots of water, they need to be greased a little more frequently. Alright, so we can pop the axle out here once we have the A-arms off. And here we can get down to our bearing. So I'm going to insert my bearing greaser. This is a 30mm bearing greaser. I'm going to give it about 4. Actually 5 did it. Until you've got some grease coming out. Usually good there. Then we can just pop our axle back in. So that is how to re-grease the bearings on them. And if you get through a lot of water or you got a lot of dust and stuff, it's a good idea to keep these greased pretty frequently. I'd say probably every 500 miles would be good, but you can go longer than that. But this will help the bearings last way longer. Alright, then we just button up our tire here and we're good to go. Got our bearing grease, checked our oil, checked the differential fluid. So if you get through water or dust, greasing your bearings is a great way to keep them lasting longer. You'll get so much more life out of them. I meant to do this a couple months ago. Alright, there we go guys, we're all back together. We're all good to go. If you like this video, be sure to hit that button down below, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.